Hello everyone, it's Colette, and today we're going to be working on this Unicorn Swirl Gradient Stamping. If you love nail art, be sure you subscribe to my channel, My Simple Little Pleasures. And if you'd like to see how I did this, just stay tuned. Starting out with clean dry nails, we're going to begin with the base coat. Today I'm starting with Holo Taco Peely Base, and you can use whichever is your personal favorite. For today's manicure, I'm going to be using 3 colors from the Orly Sweet Retreat collection as the gradient. The pink is Burst Your Bubblegum, the purple is Don't Sweet It, and the teal is Give It a Swirl. And for my base color, I'm going to be using Orly Au Champagne. Once I've applied the base color, I'm going to do a little bit of cleanup to give it some time to dry before I stamp on it. And as usual, I'm using a small brush dipped in acetone. For my stamping today, I'm going to be using the Moira Stamping Plate 72 Master Plan, and I'm going to be using these 2 mirror images. I'm going to be alternating them on every other nail, and to lay out the polish, I'm just going to apply them one at a time with each color, taking about 1/3 of the design. Once the polish is applied, I'm going to go ahead and scrape it, then pick it up with my stamper, line it up on my nail, and stamp. Once I'm done, I'm going to clean off the image plate, and I think I'm going to do all in one direction first, and then go back and do the other half of the designs. I didn't use any protection since these designs were fairly small, but if there's any little extra bits or residue that got around the edge of the nail, I'm just going to go ahead and clean those up with a Q-tip, or if I need it, my small brush. Finally, I'm going to finish it off with the top coat, and as usual, I'm using Seche Vite. So here's the finished manicure, and I really love how this turned out. It's a little bit overly cutesy compared to my usual style, but it's actually exactly what I was going for in this case, and I really like the unicorn vibes that this design ended up making. If you'd like to see the extended tutorial with some mistakes as well as some experiments, you can check that out over on my VOD channel. Or if you'd like to join me live, you can come follow over at twitch.tv/ColetteMSLP. And if you'd like to support me here on YouTube, feel free to join the channel as a member. I'd love to hear what you all think down in the comments. I hope you all enjoyed, and if you did, I hope you'll leave a thumbs up. And of course, as always, thanks for watching.